There were two monks traversing a serene forest. One was an experienced senior monk, and the other, a novice. They strolled peacefully, their minds calm, as they aimed to reach their destination. Along their path, they encountered a river with a strong current, posing a challenge to their journey. To proceed, they had to swim across. At the riverbank sat a young woman who, unable to swim, sought their assistance. In the Buddhist tradition, monks take a vow of celibacy and avoid any interaction with women. The two monks exchanged glances, and after a brief contemplation, the junior monk politely declined, choosing to cross the river on his own. Surprisingly, the senior monk, without uttering a word, lifted the woman onto his back, carried her across the river, gently placed her on the other side, and continued their journey. The junior monk, bewildered by his companion's actions, couldn't comprehend how the senior monk could break his vow. The two monks walked in silence for hours, with the younger one struggling to understand. Eventually, he mustered the courage to question the senior monk about the incident, expressing his concern about the breach of their vows. The senior monk chuckled and responded, "I left that woman on the riverbank a long time ago. It seems you are still carrying her in your thoughts." This revelation struck the junior monk, highlighting the weight he had unnecessarily placed on himself. The senior monk exemplified the art of letting go. He had dropped the past and its emotional baggage, embracing the present. The underlying message of this Buddhist tale resonates with the challenges of letting go and living in the present. Often in life, we harbor negative emotions from past events: guilt, regret, anger. These emotions become burdens, holding us captive. The story illustrates that dwelling on the past only prolongs suffering, akin to the junior monk. Contrastingly, the senior monk's actions depict a profound lesson. By relinquishing the emotional baggage of the past, he embraced the present and moved forward. The tale urges us to reflect on our lives, recognizing the importance of releasing past grievances and focusing on the present moment. In essence, the Zen story imparts timeless wisdom. True freedom lies not in altering the past but in accepting it and summoning the courage to let go. The past is a memory, and the present is a gift. By releasing the burdens of yesterday, we can appreciate the gift of today. If you found this story inspiring, then hit the subscribe button, give us a like, share the story with your loved ones. Thanks for watching.